Hello and welcome to the Machine Learning Podcast. I'm your host, Tobias Macy. You might know me from the Data Engineering Podcast or the Python Podcast.init. If you work with machine learning and AI, or you're curious about it and want to learn more, then this show is for you. We'll go beyond the esoteric research and flashy headlines and find out how machine learning is making an impact on the world and creating value for business. Along the way, we'll be joined by the researchers, engineers, and entrepreneurs who are shaping the industry. So go to themachinelearningpodcast.com today to subscribe and stay informed on how ML and AI are being used, how it works, and how to go from idea to production.